Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Anydesk application or software. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you need to download Anydesk on your computer. So you will need just to search for Anydesk. You will need just to download it. Make sure it is the anydesk.com website. And from here, you will need just to go to the downloads or just click on download now and then you install it depending on your software or operating system. Then after installing Anydesk, you will need just to run the software. After running the software, you will need just to click here on you and basically you will need just to create your own address or to enter the IP of your PC or computer. And basically, after connecting to any address, basically we'll find many addresses. You can start using the other or the host computer as you like. You can uh, control the voice, you can control the devices, etc. And basically, you can have many sessions by clicking on new session. You can add other session, etc. Otherwise, we can just have other things that we can try to do, like you go into the settings so you can control your own hosting. If you want like the connection to be secure, you can add some security codes. If you don't want anyone who have who has the address to access to your computer, etc. And basically, also you can add some permissions if you want to enable all the permission profile. You can disable like using the task manager or the send control alt delete, etc. And you can control whatever you like on the hosting and the sharing. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.